Morning children, how are you? Children, I think all are fine. Children, every class we are discussed about IIT chemistry in 7th class. 2/10 to 2020 our chemistry online test is there, children. Now I revise that concept. How many concepts in your online test, children? 3 concepts, second unit. What is second unit? Classifications of elements. In classifications of elements having now 3 concepts over. Nana, first concept what, children? First concept, introduction about classifications of elements. Second concept, Mendeleev periodic table. Third concept, modern periodic table. So 3 concepts, according to 3 concept in 2/10/2020 online chemistry online test is there, children. Now revision class, revise 3 topics also. Don't write notes now, listen properly. I revise 3 topics due to exam. Okay, so exam date 2/10/20. Now how many concepts we have, children? 3 concepts, second unit, classifications of elements. First concept, introduction of classifications of elements. Second concept, Mendeleev periodic table. Third concept is first concept, third concept, Mendeleev modern periodic table. So we are discussed information about introduction about classifications of elements. Classifications of elements. Who is introduced of element? Nana, Robert Boyle in 1661. Robert Boyle introduced of Robert Boyle and Berzelius also. Berzelius and Robert Boyle. Element introduced by Berzelius and Robert Boyle. What is definition of element? An element is a basic form of matter which cannot break down into simpler substance by chemical reaction. What is element? An element is a basic form of matter which cannot break down into simpler substance by chemical reaction. How many elements we have, children? 118 elements we have. 118 elements. So first introduce who is it? The term of element introduced by Robert Boyle. Term of element introduced by Robert Boyle and Berzelius also. Robert Boyle. Next, still now how many elements we have, children? 118 elements. In 1661 discovered 13 elements. After that, 18th century starting, Anthony Lavoisier discovered 11 elements. 13 plus 11, 24 elements. After that, in 1865 introduced 63 elements. Mendeleev introduced 63 elements. After that in 19th century introduced 91 natural elements, 17 man-made elements. Total how many elements? 108 elements. After that 20th century we have discussed more than 115 elements. Till now we have how many elements, children? 118 elements is there. 118 elements are arranged in periodic table, modern periodic table. Next, in first concept already we discussed Darwin-Stride law. What is Darwin-Stride law? The average atomic weight of first and third element equals to second element. That is Darwin-Stride law. What is Darwin-Stride law? The average atomic weight of first and third element is equals to second element. Previous class we discussed so many examples now. Which example? First example what, children? Lithium, sodium, potassium. So here lithium atomic mass 7. Lithium, sodium, potassium. Lithium 7, sodium 39, potassium how much, Nana? Potassium atomic weight, sodium 23, potassium 39. No. So what is Darwin-Stride law? The average of first and third element, the average of atomic weight of first and third element equals to second element. See, Nana, average A equals to first element atomic weight 7, third element atomic weight 39. Totally 7 plus 39 by 2. 7 7 plus 39, 46 by 2. 2 divide 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar, 2 3 jar. So 23. 23 atomic mass average equals to sodium. This is the definition of Dobernis triad law. This is the definition of Dobernis triad law. Next we are discussing on an example lithium, sodium, potassium. After that fluorine, second element fluorine, bromine, iodine. So we are discussed that time. All of you practice this atomic mass also na fluorine, bromine, iodine. This Dobernis triad law applicable only for few elements. Only for few elements. Dobernis triad law applicable only for few elements. Only for few elements. So all of you practice remaining examples also na. This is Dobernis triad law. Second law what? Newlands-Arkwright law. Newlands-Arkwright law. What is Newlands-Arkwright law? The properties of first and eighth element closely resembles to eighth element. That is Newland-Arkwright law. What is Newland-Arkwright law? The properties of first element closely resembles to eighth element. Musical sounds, you know, beyond musical sound. Sarigama Padanisa. Sarigama Padanisa. First letter sa, ri, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. Sarigama Padanisa. First letter sa, last letter sa. One start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the first letter, eighth letter, 8. First letter 1, second letter 8. So both properties are equal. What is our definition? Newlands-Arkwright law. The properties of first element. The properties of first element. First element closely resembles to first element. Closely resembles to eighth element. This is Newlands-Arkwright law. Newlands-Arkwright law. What is example? Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Next element lithium, sodium, magnesium. Next aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Lithium, sodium. After element potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. Okay. So this is first element. No. Lithium 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is first element now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the properties of first element closely resembles to eighth element. The properties of first element closely resembles to eighth element. First element lithium, eighth element sodium. Those two properties are equal. Next sodium. Here second period, third period sodium. After next period potassium. This is first element. This is eighth element. The properties of sodium, first element closely resembles to eighth element. This Newlands-Arkwright law applicable for up to scandium. This Newlands-Arkwright law applicable for up to scandium. Applicable for up to calcium. Only. Up to calcium. Newlands-Arkwright law applicable up to calcium. This is second law. Newlands-Arkwright law. Next third law. What is third law? Mendeleev periodic table. So the formula of modern periodic table, Mendeleev periodic table. What is Mendeleev periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the element and their periodic functions. So what is the modern Mendeleev periodic table? The physical and chemical properties of the element are periodic functions. The physical and chemical properties of the element are and the periodic functions of their atomic weight is called Mendeleev periodic table. The physical and chemical properties of the element and the periodic functions of the atomic weight. So physical properties mean melting point, boiling point, density. Chemical properties mean, what is chemical properties? One element have to react another element. For example, metal react with hydrogen, metal hydride. For example, metal react with oxygen. So metal oxides, metal hydrides, metal reacts. How react one element to another element is called physical properties. So physical properties, what is chemical properties? One element react with another element. How one element react with another element? So lithium metal react with non-metal. So metal react with hydrogen to form metal hydrides. Metal react with oxygen to form metal oxides. So what is Mendeleev periodic table? The properties of the chemical property, the physical properties and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions and their atomic weight is called Mendeleev periodic table. In Mendeleev periodic table we have how many elements? 63 elements. Mendeleev periodic table having 63 elements. Keep in your mind, Mendeleev periodic table having 63 elements. In 63 elements are arranged in some groups, some periods. How many periods? Periods, how many in Mendeleev periodic table? Don't confuse. Periods 7. Groups 8. In Mendeleev periodic table, horizontal rows, vertical columns. Horizontal rows are called periods. In Mendeleev periodic table divided in 7 periods, 8 groups. Vertical columns are called groups. Next, general oxidation state of general oxides. For example, first year elements oxides, general oxides. First year elements oxides, what R2O. Second year elements oxides, R2O2. Third year elements oxides, group and oxides. Next, third year group oxides, R2O3. Next, fourth year general oxides, general oxides formula R2O4. Fifth year R2O5. Next, sixth year R2O6. Seventh year R2O7. Next, eighth year R2O8. This is general oxidation formula. So first year formula R2O, second year oxides R2O2, third year oxides R2O3, fourth year oxides R2O4, fifth year oxides R2O5, sixth year oxides R2O6, seventh year oxides R2O7, eighth year oxides R2O8. In Mendeleev period, what is Mendeleev periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the periodic functions of their atomic weight is called Mendeleev periodic table. In Mendeleev periodic table having 63 elements, 7 periods, 8 groups. Next, in Mendeleev periodic table having some gaps is there, no? In Mendeleev periodic table left side some gaps is there. In that gaps filled in newly invented elements. How many newly invented elements? 4 newly invented elements. First newly invented element boron. Aluminium. Boron means what is newly invented element? Scandium. Yes, scandium. Next, aluminum element what children? Gallium. Gl. Next, boron, aluminum. Next, newly invented silicon. Silicon means single. Germanium. Ga. Next, manganese. Manganese means technetium. In Mendeleev periodic table, left side some gaps is there. In that gaps we filled in newly invented elements are 4. Newly invented elements 4. First element Eka boron, scandium, Eka aluminium in gallium. Before this names is there. After newly invented Eka boron means scandium, Eka aluminium in gallium, Eka silicon means germanium, Eka manganese means technetium. This is newly invented elements. In Mendeleev periodic table having 63 elements, 7 periods, 8 groups. Horizontal rows are called periods, vertical columns are called groups. In Mendeleev periodic table having some gaps is there. In that gaps filled in newly invented elements. Newly invented elements are 4. Scandium, gallium, germanium, technetium. After that limitations of Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table limitations. We have discussed now part 1. Mendeleev periodic table limitations. Limitations of Mendeleev periodic table. What is first limitation? Generally, always arranged in periodic table elements, atomic number is increased, atomic mass also increase. But some cases atomic number is increased, atomic mass is decreased. That is one limitation. The space is called anomalous space. Anomalous space. Generally, how is arranged Mendeleev periodic table? How is arranged? Atomic number is increased, atomic mass also increase. Atomic mass also increase. Anomalous space. Anomalous space means generally in periodic table, how is arranged elements? Atomic number is increased, atomic mass increase. Except 3 pairs, atomic number is increased, atomic mass is decreased. That pairs previous class we discussed now. That pairs first pair argon potassium. Argon potassium first pair. Keep in your mind this pair very important. Cobalt nickel second pair. Cobalt nickel. Third pair technetium. Tellurium. Sorry, Nana. Last time we have this one. I said tellurium. Technetium. Tellurium. Tellurium. These 3 pairs are called anomalous pairs. These 3 pairs are called anomalous pairs. What is atomic weight of argon and potassium? 39.94. Here 39.10. So generally argon atomic number decrease, atomic mass increase. Potassium atomic number increase, atomic mass decrease. This is mass of argon 39.94. Potassium mass 39.10. Little bit variation is there now. So that is one first limitation. Next, cobalt atomic weight 58.9. 58.6. So here 9 here 6 some little bit variation is there now. So atomic number is decreased, atomic mass increase. When atomic number is increased, atomic mass decrease. So next tellurium. Tellurium atomic mass 127.6. 127.6. 126.9. These 3 pairs are anomalous pairs. Argon, potassium, cobalt, nickel, tellurium, iodine. Cannot satisfy in generally atomic number is increased, atomic mass also increase. But these 3 pairs are atomic number is increased, atomic mass decrease. These pairs is called anomalous pairs. This is first limitation. This is first limitation of Mendeleev periodic table. Next second limitation what now? Second limitation generally isotopes. Isotopes exhibit some different atomic masses. For example, C11, C12, C12, C11, C34. No. So isotopes. For example, C12, C38, C14. Atomic number. Carbon atomic number 6. Atomic number equal, but atomic mass little bit various is there, no? So in modern periodic table having one element having only one atomic mass and atomic number, but is atomic. This is isotope. Isotopes. What is isotopes? Same atomic number, different mass number. Same atomic number, different mass number. So this type of isotopes cannot exist in periodic table. There is no specific position. There is no position of isotopes in periodic table. In Mendelian periodic table, there is no any position of isotopes. Why? Because in carbon exhibit different atomic weights. That's why there is no any position of isotopes in Mendelian periodic table. This is limitation 2. Limitation 3. What is limitation 3? Generally, transition elements. Transition elements, 3 transition elements arranged in right side of the 8th group. That is Mendelian periodic table. Limitation 3. What is limitation 3, Mama? Limitation 2. Isotopes of an element different atomic weights. However, there is no position for isotopes. Why? Because this is different atomic weights. Next, limitation 3. 3 groups of transition elements is there. No. 3 groups of transition elements. The elements are arranged in right side. Here 8th group. 3 groups of transition elements arranged in 8th group. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, nickel, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Transition elements arranged in 8th group elements. After that, transition elements placed with elements under the same group. Transition elements arranged in same group. That is limitation 4. Next, coinacid metals. Coinacid metals are arranged in coinacid metals. Coinacid metals arranged in alkali metals. Alkali metal group family. Alkali metals. Coinacid metals are arranged in alkali metal. For example, coinacid metals examples. Copper, gold, silver, copper, gold, iron, yellow. So coinacid metals are arranged in alkali metal group family. Alkali metals mean hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Some coinacid metals are arranged in first year group element. That means alkali metal family. Those are limitations of Mendelian periodic table. Next, we have discussed last one, modern periodic table. Modern periodic table. Last one, modern periodic table. See now, in modern periodic table, previous class we have discussed the modern periodic table. Now, what is modern periodic law? Listen, what is modern periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the element and the periodic functions of their atomic weight or electronic configuration of elements. That is modern periodic law. Next, what is modern periodic table? The systematic arrangement of the elements in a table. That table is called as long form of the periodic table. So, in my modern periodic table having 118 elements. 118 elements are divided into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block, and F block. Okay, S block elements are arranged in left side of the periodic table. P block elements are arranged in right side of the periodic table. D block elements are arranged in middle of the periodic table. F block elements are arranged in bottom of the periodic table. Okay, Nana. S and P block elements are called representative elements. D block elements are called transition elements. F block elements are called inner transitional elements. Okay, next, how many groups, how many periods we have, children? In Mendelian periodic table having 7 periods, 18 groups. Don't write notes, lesson only. Groups. So 7 periods, 18 groups. 7 periods, horizontal rows are called periods. Vertical columns are called groups. Horizontal rows are called periods. Vertical columns are called groups. So periods we will take to left to right. Rows start to top to bottom. Next period. First period having 2 elements is called shortest period. First period is called shortest period. Second and third period. How many elements is there, children? 8 elements. Second and third is called short period. Third and next fourth and fifth period is called long period. How many elements is there? 18 elements. Sixth period having 32 elements is called longest period, 7th period having 31 elements, this is called incomplete period. That is information about periods. After that, information about groups. What is definition of group? How many groups we have, children? 18 groups arranged in vertically columns. Vertically columns are called groups. How many groups we have, children? 18 groups. 18 groups are divided into subgroups. Some A groups, some B groups. A groups, how many children? 8. B groups 10. First year group elements is called alkali metals. Second year group elements is called alkali earth metals. Third year boron family. Fourth year carbon family. Fifth year nitrogen family. Another name nitrogens. Seventh year oxygen family. Another name chalcogens. Eighth year seventh year group halogens. Last group zero group element. Zero group are inert gases, are noble gases, are halogens. Okay, Nana? That is information about groups. Information about groups. Next, general electronic configuration of alkali metals. Alkali metals mean hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. First year group element general electronic configuration NS1. Valence electrons 1, valency 1. Second year group elements. Second year group element barium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Second year group elements are called alkali earth metals. Alkali earth metal general electronic configuration NS2. Number of electrons 2. Number of valency 2. Next, third year boron family. Boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Boron family. Boron family for which group? Third group. So valency electrons 3. Valency 3. Next, fourth group carbon family. Carbon, aluminum, carbon, aluminum. Next, carbon, aluminum, germanium, tin, lead. Carbon, aluminum, germanium, tin. Fourth group carbon family. Fourth group general electronic configuration. Third group general electronic configuration NS2 NP1. Fourth group NS2 NP2. The next fifth group NS2 NP3. NS2 NP3 number of electrons 5. Next valency 8 minus 3. 8 minus 5 3. Next, so don't confuse first group. First group valency electrons 1. Valency electrons 1, valency also 1. So valence of metals, that means first group, second group, up to third group, fourth group. Valence are equal to group number. Valence of non-metals 8 minus group number. Okay. Next, carbon family, valence electrons 4. Valence also 4. Fifth group. Nitrogen family, another name nitrogen, general electronic configuration NS2 NP3. So valence electrons 5, valency 8 minus 5 3. Next, sixth group elements oxygen family, general electronic configuration NS2 NP4. Sixth group. So valence electron 6, valency 2. Seventh group general electronic configuration NS2 NP5. Valence electrons 7, valency 1. Eighth group general electronic configuration NS2 NP6. Valence equal to valence electrons 8, valency 8 minus 8 0. Okay, Nana? Next, general electronic configuration of S block elements NS1 dot 2. General electronic configuration of P block elements NS2 NP1 to 6. General electronic configuration D block elements N2 NS2 1 or 2 and N-1 D into 1 to 10. Next, general electronic configuration of F block elements NS2 N-1 D 1 or 2 N-1 F 1 to 14. Up to 3 concepts, read properly, Nana. All of you learn properly 3 concepts. Exam 2. Okay, Nana? All the best. Learn properly. All the best. Thank you. See you next time.